Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to see a story, okay? I'm going to say a story. You should listen carefully. One day, Ravi, a little boy, went to school. One day, Ravi, a little boy, went to school. Ravi, a little boy, went to school, okay? His first period was English. What is your today's first period? Yeah, you have Tamil. His first period was English. Okay? His first period, what is his first period? His first period was English. He was late to the English class. He was late. He was late to the English class. Ravi went to school and his first period was English and he was late to the English class. So his English ma'am asked the reason for his delay. His ma'am asked why you were late, the reason for his delay. Ravi said, "Sorry ma'am, sorry ma'am, please forgive me." What did Ravi say? Ravi said, "Sorry ma'am, please forgive me for this one time. Hereafter I will not repeat this ma'am. Forgive me ma'am for this one time. Hereafter I will not repeat this ma'am." Okay? Did you understand? Ravi, a little boy, went to school. His first period was English and he was late to the class and his English ma'am was very angry. So his English ma'am asked a reason and Ravi said, "Sorry ma'am, please forgive me. Hereafter I will not repeat this ma'am." Again he said, "Sorry ma'am, please forgive me. Sorry ma'am, please forgive me." And he started crying. And his English teacher was very sad because he started crying. And English ma'am's anger got vanished as he said, "Please and sorry." English ma'am was very angry as he was late to the class, but now her anger got vanished. Why? Because he said, "Please and sorry." So please and sorry are magic words that can change a situation. That can change a situation. He said, "Please and sorry." English ma'am asked her students to clap hands for Ram as he said, "Please and sorry." What did English ma'am told? English ma'am told to all students to clap their hands for Ram. Why they asked to clap hands for Ram? Because he said, "Please and sorry." Please and sorry. As he was late to the class, he said sorry and he said the sorry in a pleasing manner. As he did the mistake, as he want something from his ma'am, as he want forgiveness from his ma'am, he said please. He said please. Please and sorry. As these are magic words, English ma'am asked the students to clap their hands because Ram said the words please and sorry. These are magic words. Please and sorry are magic words. Magic words. Okay? That makes everyone happy. When you use magic words, it makes everyone happy. Ravi said, "Thank you ma'am." As his ma'am pardoned him, he said thank you. Pardonalum enadhu? Pardonalum mannikkiradha. Okay? Pardoned. Ravi said, "Thank you ma'am." As his teacher pardoned him, Ravi said, "Thank you ma'am." What did Ravi say? Ravi said, "Thank you ma'am." The teacher gave him chocolate and again he said thank you with a smiling face. His teacher gave him a chocolate. When you receive something from someone, you should say thank you. As he received chocolate from his English ma'am, he said thank you. Sorry, please, thank you. These are the magic words. You should use them. Now you understand? Sorry, please, thank you. These are the magic words. Students, now let us move into the class. I just narrated a story, okay, so you can understand what is sorry, please and thank you. Now take your book, take your study material. Today we are going to see the poem Magic Words. Magic words. Magic words. Magic words. What are the magic words? Please, thank you, sorry. These are the magic words. When we want someone to help, what do we say? Please, please, please. When you want someone to help, when you need someone's help, you should say please. Sometimes you may need a help from someone. When you want a help, you should say please, please, can you help me? Please, can you help me? Please, can you help me to lift this table? Please, can you help me with the pen? When you need a pen, you should ask, please, can you give me a pen? When you want something from someone, you should say please. When you want their help, you should say please. Please, can you help me? Please, can you help me? So students, when you will ask please, when you want someone's help, you should say please. Please, can you help me? Please. 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 Please, can you help me? When someone helps us out, what do we say? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. When you need someone's help, you should say please, can you help me? And when they help you, what you should say? You should say thank you. When you receive something from someone, you should say thank you. When you receive a chocolate, when Ravi received a chocolate from his mom, he said thank you. He said thank you. So whenever you receive something from someone, you should say thank you. Even it may be a help. Ravi received a chocolate and he said thank you. When you receive a help from someone, you should also say thank you. When you ask your friend to give a pen, you will say please give me a pen. And when he gives his pen to you, you should say thank you. Thank you, because he has given his pen to you. He has helped you. So when you receive someone's help, you should say thank you. When we want someone help, we should say please. When someone help us out, we should say thank you. When we make someone cry, what do we say? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Ravi, as he was late, he made the teacher angry. So he said sorry, sorry, sorry ma'am, please forgive me. Whenever you do mistakes, you should say sorry. When will you say sorry? Whenever you do mistakes, you should say sorry. When you want someone's help, you should say please. When you receive someone's help, you should say thank you. When you hurt someone, you should say sorry. When you want someone's help, what you will say? You will say please. When you receive someone's help, you should say thank you. When you hurt someone, when you make someone cry, you should say sorry. Please, thank you, sorry. Please, thank you and sorry. Please, thank you and sorry. Say them as you need. Whenever you need these words, use them. Use them as much as you need. Say them to make it all good. Say them to make the incidents good. Okay? Did you understand the poem? What are the magic words? Please, thank you, sorry. These are the magic words. When will you use the word please? When you want someone's help, you should use the word please. When you receive someone's help, you should say thank you. When you make someone cry or hurt, you should say sorry. Please forgive me. Please, can you help me? Thank you for your help. Sorry, I have hurted you. Please, thank you, sorry. These are the magic words. Use them as much as you need and make everyone good. Okay, this is today's class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please, sorry, thank you. These are the magic words. You should always use them to make everyone happy. Okay, please, sorry, thank you. Okay, students, thank you for today's homework. You will read this, you will read the poem. Okay, just you try to read each word. Okay, each sentence by sentence read and try to understand. Okay, thank you students. Bye bye, see you in the next class.